beautiful people. Welcome to Jai Simhavahini. I'm Shrujna. We all wish you bright and luminous Happy Diwali from Jai Simhavahini team. To make your Diwali even more brighter, we are bringing to you Uppada silk handloom sarees designed by Uppada native weavers itself, located in coastal area of Andhra Pradesh. Our sarees are best of quality as they are pure silk, soft, hand woven unique designs, easy to carry and also light in weight. So today we are having 7 sarees with us. Since these all are designer pieces, there is high amount of chance that they might get out of stock. So instead, if you wish to place an order, you can place an order on the WhatsApp number which goes 7989839421. The number will also be given in the description box below and you can happily place an order. So our first hot piece is in the color of manganese violet color. Fabric is pure Uppada silk saree in the style of handloom. The body of the saree has got all over the copper and silver motifs with peacocks and oval shape motifs. The border of the saree is the main attraction of this saree. This has got amazingly large 10 inches border with the combination of ikat design and also kadi zari border on both the sides. And on the other side of the saree, it is 4 inches kadi border. So let's see the pallu of the saree now. Pallu of this saree is in the color of sky blue color, which is accurate contrast color to the saree's body. This pallu has got rich zari work in the form of small mango motifs and stems, leaves, flowers as margins on both the sides of the pallu and similar ikat border running on the pallu as well. The blouse of this saree is plain sky blue color matching to the color of the pallu, and by touching these threads of this saree you can actually feel the quality of pure silk. I really wish you to feel this right now. Well, here in the blouse also you will get this combination of ikat and zari kadi border, and the price of this saree is 8,200. Our second saree is in bright yellow color. The fabric of the saree is pure Uppada silk saree and the style of weaving is handloom. The heart of this saree is this painting, which I'm going to show you right now. So the painting on pure Pattu saree, which is absolutely rare to find. The painting is in dark pink flowers with the long petals and stems, leaves in light green color. I personally chose this yellow color Pattu saree to highlight this painting. Coming to the borders of this saree, golden zari kadi border, which is really large in size, 9 inches on one side and 5 inches on the other side of the saree. So let me now show you the pallu. The pallu is in rich royal blue color and similar paintings. Now the borders have changed from golden kadi border to antique style kadi border with 9 and 5 inches of similar borders. Coming to the blouse, same royal blue color matching to the pallu. So the price of this amazing saree is 5,700. Our third saree is in indigo color. The fabric of the saree is pure Uppada silk saree and the style of the saree is handloom half saree. The whole saree has got dollar motifs in the color of silver and antique style kadi zari borders on both the sides. The significance of the sari is just here. So the pallu and the pleats section are going to be different in color. That means contrast to the rest of the sari. So here, this is the pallu, which is in orange color, and also the pleats section matching the pallu and blouse. Both the pallu of the sari and pleat section is going to have the similar rich golden zari work on them, and with the same antique style kadi zari border. And coming to the blouse, which should be just beneath the pallu, yes, which is going to be plain and with the similar antique style kadi zari border. And the price of this amazing pattu sari is just 7,200. Our fourth exclusive sari is in the color of magenta pink color. The fabric of the sari is Upada pure pattu silk, and the style of weaving is absolutely handloom. The sari has got all over the small booties of butterflies and peacocks. And both the peacocks and butterflies are in silver and gold colors. The border of the sari is in large 8 inches double border on both the sides of the sari. Talking about the pallu of this sari, the color of the pallu is in turmeric yellow color with the similar small booties of silver and golden butterfly and peacock design motifs on the pallu as well. Coming to the blouse, it will also be in pure pattu silk, plain turmeric yellow color matching the pallu, and the cost of this sari is 5,200. Our fifth sari is in royal blue color. The fabric of this sari is Upara pure silk sari again. The style of weaving is Jamdani and handloom. Before moving on to the description, here is the small note about Jamdani. So the significance of Jamdani is that the motifs will look with similar finishing on both the sides. I'll show you that. Here, this is the Jamdani motif. So the Jamdani work will be with the similar finishing and without any threads that can be seen outside. This whole sari is going to be of Jamdani flowers in copper and silver motifs all over the sari. And the border is again the double border of 8 inches on both the sides of the sari. Let's see the pallu of the sari. It is in magenta pink color, and even the pallu has got Jamdani gold and silver flower motifs on it with 4 inches zari kadi border. And let's see the blouse. Blouse is also going to be in pink magenta color matching with the pallu and with the same 4 inches zari kadi border. The price of this Jamdani pattu sari is 9,950 rupees. Sixth sari in our list is of golden yellow color. The fabric of the sari is Uppara pure silk and zari. The style of weaving is silk tissue and handloom. The whole sari is in plain rich yellow and golden zari all over the sari with blue piping in the border. Let's see the pallu of this sari. The pallu of this sari is in contrast subtle light blue color, and also the pallu will be in the combination of silk blue threads and golden zari. Let's see the blouse now. The blouse will be included in this pallu itself. This classic Opada pure pattu tissue handloom sari is for only 3,400 rupees. The last sari for today is the dual shade sari. Very rare color to find it in the silk saris. The sari is in the dual shade color combination of both lavender and magenta pink. The border of this saree is again in the antique style of 10 inches large curry border on one side and 5 inches curry border on the other side. This dual shade saree has got all over the motifs of small motifs, mango motifs and flower motifs. Let's see the pallu now. All right, so it is in the perfect contrast color to the rest of its body's color, which is magenta pink color, and similar mango and flower small motifs running on the pallu with the same 10 inches and 5 inches of kadi zari border. Let's see the blouse now. Blouse is matching the pallu again, which is absolutely plain but with the 10 inches and 5 inches kadi borders running on this saree as well. The price of this unique color combination saree is 6,200. There are many more such beautiful silk sarees in Jayasimha Vahini. So beside the YouTube channel, we also have Instagram and Facebook. The user IDs will be given on the screen and the links in the description box. About washing and care, it is always better to go for dry cleaning. And please let us know if you have liked any saree, or also let us know if you want to see more patterns, designs and also colors in the model of saree which I have shown. Jai Simha Vahini.